Stress management in Islamic perspective. Islam is the second largest religion in the world, and it is the complete code for human beings to lead a life here and hereafter. Quran and Sunnah form the basic framework of the religion, Islam. Stress is derived from the Latin word which means to draw tight, and the word stress is coined by the Hans Seyle, who is known as father of stress research. The response of the individual to any change in his environment can be termed as stress, and the techniques and methods used to deal with daily life stress are can be termed as stress management technique. First method of stress management is remembrance of God and recitation of Quran. According to a research study, the recitation of Holy Quran has a positive effect on mental health. The second method of stress management is exercise. Exercise releases a hormone called releases endorphin, which is known as happiness hormone. It keeps the individual fit both physically and mentally. During the period of Prophet, he gave importance to horse riding, shooting, wrestling, walking, running, etc. Another method of stress management is namaz. It can be considered as the higher form of yoga or meditation. It is the conversation between creator and creation. According to a research study, anxiety can be reduced by regular practice of the salat, and the salat is a best medicine to cure stress. Another method of stress management is diet. It is essential for the growth, strengthening, and repairing of the human body. There is a direct link between stress and health of the individual. Quran and Hadith suggest its followers what to eat and what not to eat. It also explains how to eat and the manners to be followed while eating and drinking. Another method of stress management is time sleep. It is the fundamental activity to maintain the health of the individual. It plays an important role in maintaining the emotion, mood, physical state, concentration, productivity, memory, social interaction, etc. The Holy Quran not only says the importance of sleep but also it suggests a perfect sleeping position which is beneficial for health and which is scientifically proven. Another method of stress management is time. Time, friends and family. Man is a social animal and he needs interaction and companionship to lead a happy and successful life. Next method of stress management is time. Time is the most precious resource in the world. According to Islam, health and time are two blessings from the God. Time management is an art of managing time properly and purposefully, and many problems related to stress can be managed through managing time properly at each stage of their life. Other methods of stress management are show gratitude for what we have in our life, be thankful for what we are and what we have, don't compare oneself with others, prayer, forgiveness, letting the situation to go, thinking more about the life hereafter, try not to control the situation that we can't control are the other methods of stress management. Last, it is the nature of the human being to regret about their past, anxious about their future, and worried about their present. Islam portrays the idea of a stress free life. The above methods are best stress management techniques and these are proven through research studies. One can manage daily life stress by using the following stress management techniques. Thank you.